Hey, what's up? My name is Daniel here. I got a quick video to show you guys my first custom keyboard build with the Drop Carina. This is a 60% keyboard kit that comes with everything you need to build your own custom keyboard. I'm going to be going over the assembly process, the sound test, as well as my impressions on the build experience and the keyboard itself. Let's take a look. So going over the parts list, you have the kit itself that includes a frost acrylic case, a PCB, clip-on stabilizers, a USB Type-C cable, screws, and a keycap holder. You also need to purchase a plate. However, Drop offers a choice of brass, aluminum, or copper options. I went with the brass plate. I also picked up the Kale Box Burnt Orange switches from KBD Fans, and finally some SA PBT Double Shot Shine Through white keycaps I found on AliExpress. Which brings the total price of this board to right under $200 US without shipping. Keep in mind, a lot of these parts are shipped internationally, so definitely be mindful of that. The assembly process was real simple and straightforward. I followed the steps from the guide video Drop posted and didn't run into any issues. One thing I did to the stabilizers was clip the edges to help with the noise. I'm not sure how much that helped because, well, you'll hear in the sound test. I should also mention I wasn't able to lube my stabilizers because the time it took to ship would have been too long for me to wait. Originally, I bought this board for myself to get my hands wet with custom keyboard building, but after finishing, I'll be giving this board to a friend instead. I have plenty of keyboards lying around, so I think it'll be a great Christmas present for someone who conveniently needs a replacement. I'll let the time lapse of the assembly finish, so in the meantime, enjoy the build. Here's what the keyboard sounds like with Kale Box Burnt Orange switches. So as someone who's never built a custom keyboard before, my experience with this whole build process has been pretty positive. Had a lot of fun building the keyboard, and the video that Drop posted was pretty easy to follow and straightforward. I think this is a great entry kit for anyone looking to get started with building custom keyboards. It has everything you need to start, it's easy to assemble with no soldering needed, and features hot swappable switches. The assembly process took about 20 minutes to complete, and the finished keyboard looks and feels solid with a premium build quality. One of my complaints is the included stabilizers. You probably heard the ping or loudness from the sound test, and I hope Drop can include some better stabilizers in their next batch. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see y'all next year. Bye.